So what we only need is the support to everyone who working around Durban. They must come and support us in our small business.
Where is it?
Sorry?
Where is it? Where is it? Because I'm making another one now. I put that one off.
Yes.
It's another one now.
Another one now.
What is your name of your shop?
The name of the shop is Medic Fishing Edward Shop around the Durban.
Under the bridge.
Under the bridge, yes, yes. Under the bridge. Next to a shop. This is a small business, but we need to grow.
Yes.
When we're getting grow.
What you putting now?
Now I'm putting a spice. Spice,
So just
seven can and Mama Choma. You just mix it. Mix it. Mama Choma, spice from Spa. From Spa. Not from Kutukutu, not from another one who is selling a cheap line. This is from Spa.
oh, this is a quality.
And public. So, yeah, it's a quality. We order a beef at
Chester meat.
Chester, Checkers, Chester Spa. So,
You Mr. Gumede's brother.
permanent.
You Mr. Gumede's brother.
I'm Mr. Kumede's brother. Yes.
Oh, this is the spice, the expensive
The
spice.
spice will be nice and tasty spice. Nice and tasty spice.
What's in the sauce?
The sauce, the marinade, we use the barbecue.
Barbecue,
And we mix
chili,
and our something
special, secret,
something
a
special.
secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient.
Like the KFC got a secret ingredient.
Yeah. Uzaputha inyama ngapha. Uzaputha isikwethe inyama ngapha. Irate ukutya emdala ngapha. Irate uqala ku-60 rand kwethu.
You're gonna get a lot of customers, I know.
Yeah. Just converse to get a customers.
But Mr. Gumede told me every day he's busy.
Yeah, we are in competition.
Yeah, I know.
Too much kitchen. So this one. What's up with them?
So how was your Heritage Day? How was your Heritage Day? Heritage Day.
It was good, and there was a lot of people here. So that day we work well. We work well.
I didn't see you.
You didn't see me.
I was here.
I was sitting there.
You saw me.
I saw you. When this mother was dancing, I was sitting there. Tomorrow is coming.
Yeah. Oh, you're also doing this boerewors too. Boerewors.
Sorry?
You're doing the boerewors also. Boerewors.
Boerewors, yeah.
You're doing it now.
Yeah. You want me to do it now?
No, when you're ready, I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry.
Okay.
That's Mr. Gumede.
The owner of this kitchen.
Tulani Gumede.
I was going to buy a marinade and our secret spice that we put
Yeah.
in our marinade. Because you know, it will be a long day. This is Monday.
Yeah. You see, the people like to see America,
Yeah.
Australia, India. They like to see this.
Yeah, they come and see, yes.
Tourists.
When they are just passing.
They're saying
yes.
tourists. Tourists.
Yeah.
People come from Pashaya, overseas.
Yeah. They come from overseas and
Yeah.
just come and look.
They
One
like
at
to
a
see
time.
this thing. This they're calling street food.
Street food, yes.
In America, they say street food. So
Even
they,
here, that's a street food because we are.
Yeah.
on the street.
so they get excited. They like it.
Yeah.
Also, Mr. Gumere is getting ready to start cooking. Very soon, gonna be very famous
Yeah.
from this video. People gonna see.
All right.
They're gonna come. And I see you got the machine there. Oh, Capita give it.
For one who don't have cash.
Yeah. But you must charging.
Just only 2 rand. The charges.
No, the electricity.
Yeah, electricity charges. Yes.
You must charge. All time. You got electricity here?
No electricity. The charges at
A house. And bring it. You put it off now. It's off.
It's not off.
Put it off because
On.
you save the electricity. You want to save the electricity. Put it off. But put it off when you're not using it. When you're not using it. Yeah. Just to save the electricity because you don't have the power. You don't have the power.
No, we don't have the power here.
Yeah.
We use the power at our house just to charge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine now.
Come tell me about the salad. Tell me about the salad. Show me the salad. Show me the salad.
Salad.
Yeah.
Salad. This is a coleslaw.
And how you make it?
Cabbage and mayonnaise.
Cabbage and mayonnaise.
Yeah, cabbage and mayonnaise.
Carrot.
Then
Carrot.
Carrot and cabbage. Cabbage, carrot and mayonnaise. Then you use this one. This is a chat. Chat.
Oh, the
Fresh
tomato,
one.
onion,
Yeah,
chili.
Tomato, onion.
Like a salsa.
Yeah. It's a chatty.
Chatis.
Chatty. This is the only salad we use.